Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I just know to be shit ain't got serious, the meetings come through.
Starting off with skincare, I went in and used these cleansing pads because I did my makeup earlier today. And I just wanted to start off with a fresh face. But y'all, these are so good. It got my face so clean and I'm literally obsessed with how fresh my face feels right now. These are literally a 10 out of 10 for me. This is by the brand Me Box Soul. They sent me this product in PR and I'm so happy about it because this is super good. Started off with putting some lip balm on. This is by the brand Absolute New York. They sent me a few of their lip balms, actually have literally been my favorite lately. If you guys have not tried out this brand, I highly recommend. I have a discount code. I will put it on the screen for you guys, but yeah, my favorite shade to use so far is this one. This one is actually like really close to the elf Glow Reviver lip balm. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and just show you guys and do a little swatch test. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very similar. The color is very close. So cute. Now let me go ahead and swatch the elf one, and then I'm going to swatch the Absolute New York one on the back of my hand. Elf. You guys see how similar that is? That is super cute. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot about my caramel frappe. How could I ever? This shit is bomb. I love Starbucks caramel frappe, but McDonald's caramel frappe just hits a little different. Have all the makeup products that I'm going to be using today in this cute little black makeup bag. I am going to be doing a full face of e.l.f. products. Only a few of these items aren't going to be e.l.f., but I gathered all the e.l.f. products that I could in my makeup collection to film this video for you guys, and I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and start off with skincare prep. I'm only going to be using 2 products today. I want to keep it very simple. I'm going to go in with the Vacation Classic Whipped sunscreen. I freaking love this product so much, and only going to be going in with a few skincare products because I literally already did my skincare this morning and now it's late afternoon when I'm filming this, so I just want to keep everything simple, and I like to be very careful when applying this because this product stings so bad. It hurts so bad if you get it in your eye, so do not get it in your eye. I thought I was tripping whenever that would happen, but I seen another creator talk about how much it hurts when it gets into your eye, and I was like, oh my gosh, I thought it was just me. That shit is so painful, so don't get it in your eye. Very careful when applying it and you'll be good. Next up, I'm going to go in with my Pond's moisturizer. I did have the e.l.f. moisturizer. It was the one in the blue packaging. I forgot what it was called, but that was literally one of my favorite moisturizers, but I ran out of it, so yeah. Let's stop. Let's chill. I know y'all hear that. I don't know why I feel like this looks so okay. I don't know why I feel like hair clips look so weird with curly hair, but we move on and we're just going to get into this makeup look. Skin prep is all done, so let's get into the makeup. Primer that I'm going to be using today is the e.l.f. Power Grip Matte Primer. I am a whore for the Power Grip Primer. The blue one and the pink one were 9 minutes aside. I recently bought this one and I fell in love. I'm both a matte and glowy makeup girly. Let me show y'all what the consistency looks like because I never knew, so I'm going to go ahead and show y'all so y'all know.
Ladybug said she wants you to take her for a walk.
Okay, I will on that. That's what it looks like. So I like to go ahead and apply it on most of the places that need prime, which is like my T-zone, especially in the summertime. I do both matte and glowy makeup all year round. Like I will literally do a glowy makeup look in winter time. I don't care. It just depends what mood I am in, honestly. I'm going to put some specifically under my eyes because like I said, you want to put it in the places where you have the most creasing, and putting your primer there will definitely avoid that from happening. My favorite e.l.f. product ever that I've ever tried probably is the e.l.f. bronzing drops. These are so freaking good. I got it in the shade Rose Gold. I want to try it in the other shade that they have. I forgot what it is, but today I'm going to just mix it together with my concealer. I don't want to go for that full bronze look today, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix them together so it can look as natural as possible. Also, this is the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer. This is literally one of my favorite concealers ever. Favorite affordable concealer. And I'm going to mix them together like I said. Apply it on my face like so. As you guys can see, I'm just rubbing it in like it's lotion. I'm not using a beauty blender. I really like doing it this way. It just applies so much more evenly and better. Concealers today, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I love this way more than the one with the black lid. I think that's the matte one. I'm not sure. That one dries so much more faster. I like this one because it's not so drying. Like I just feel like the other one just makes my skin look so dry, like I said. But this one is okay. I don't Woo, I'm so blind, girl. It's terrible. This is what this shade looks like. It's a bit too light for me, I'm not gonna lie. So I have to be very light-handed. I'm just gonna go in with 3 little dots, and that's it, girl, because this is so light, but it does get the job done. It gets the job done, girl. Do the same on my nose and the bridge of my nose. Is this the bridge of my nose? Yeah. I'm a dumbass. Y'all already know my favorite thing ever is blending out my concealer with a blush before I do it with a beauty blender. I love this angled brush from Shein on their makeup tab. It's so good. Do not sleep on Shein and Amazon makeup brushes. I feel like a lot of makeup beginners feel like they need to get the most expensive makeup brushes, but honestly, girl, a lot of makeup brushes are all the same, and the only difference between them is the name, the brand, the name on the brush. That's literally the only difference. So don't let that get to you. You could literally get brushes from anywhere. I literally have brushes from Dollar Tree, girl, Walmart, Target, Walgreens. Like what I'm doing right now is taking the leftover concealer on my brush and just putting it on my jawline and my forehead and blend it down so it's more blended in. I have this concealer. It's like a hydrating one. I'm going to use this just to carve out my jawline. So watch, you'll see, you'll see. Now I'm just blending out everything with this beauty blender to make sure there's no streaks from the makeup brush. I think we're all good. I can't remember where I learned this makeup tip from, but honestly, it's a makeup tip that very much changed my life. Basically, you want to take a pressed powder and set under your eyes so you don't get much creasing. And ever since I started doing this, oh my gosh, girl, creasing where? Absolutely nowhere. Not here, baby girl. Take this as your sign that you don't need a expensive setting powder. This LA Colors one, literally one of my favorite powders I've ever used. This setting powder alone is better than the Airspun powder. For some reason, the Airspun powder just gives me so much flashback. Like, oh my gosh, I absolutely hate it. But I'm so glad I found this, because whenever I just need a cheap alternative or want a cheap alternative, this is my go-to setting powder. Now, usually I would wipe off my setting powder with a makeup brush first, but recently I've just been taking my powder puff and just pressing it into my skin. I love this look so much better. Yo, I have been learning so many makeup tips, makeup hacks from the girlies on TikTok, and I can't wait till I get up there and like I build my community and there's girls that look up to me for makeup tips. Like, I just cannot wait until I get to that point. And I know I will one day, no doubt. I have no doubts in my head. I'm already here doing it. I'm already here doing YouTube. Like, what more could you want? What could you want from me? I'm going to let my setting powder sit for a minute before I fully wipe it off with a brush. But until then, I'm going to take this ColourPop eyeshadow and just do a little bit of eyeshadow. This is like the individual eyeshadows. Girl, the throwback. Let me know if you remember these. But this is the one in the shade On the Rocks. I'm going to take my makeup brush and just put a little bit on my eyelid. This is like the perfect cocoa brown shade. Let me zoom in so y'all can see. Yeah, that's what we're working with. Eyeshadow is done and secured, girl. Now, we have an issue because I literally forgot to put on my blush. This is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Blush, the orange one. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, especially for the summertime. I forgot to put it on, so I'm still going to try my best to put it on. What I'm gonna do is set my face first, but hold up, dust the rest of this off. Oof, girl, I hope this works out, because if not, we're gonna look a mess. While my face is still wet and damp, I'm going to take my fluffy blush brush. Oh yes, yup, it's working. Oh my gosh, I'm good. I'm good at what I do, I'll say that much. I love this shade. It looks like I just sat outside and tan in Miami from 9 in the morning to 12 p.m. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit of liquid highlighter on. And yes, you can put liquid highlighter on over powder products. I love using my fingers. It just looks so much more natural than using a brush. I feel like if you apply liquid blush with a brush, oh my gosh, that's a tongue twister. Like, it just comes out streaky and no one wants that. So if you're wondering where I'm looking at, I'm looking in my mirror right here. We're glowing, that's for sure. This is bronzer, $1, girl. One of my favorite bronzers ever. It's honestly up there with the butter bronzer, I think what it's called. Just a little bit. I'm gonna put some highlight over my liquid highlight. This is the Anastasia highlight. Do y'all remember this? This is such a throwback, girl. Oh my gosh, this is like treasure. And I like to put a lot. Yeah, don't be shy. Don't be shy, put some more. To the fun part, my lip combo. You guys, I got this e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner. I already have 2 other shades in this, but I've been wanting to try the shade Dark Cocoa because my sister-in-law has this shade and she literally absolutely loves it. So I'm trying to show you the other ones, but I just don't have time to go through my makeup collection right now just to find that for y'all. But let's go ahead and do this. So I have the e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner in the shade Dark Cocoa. And then I have the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Melting Balm. Literally my favorite. Smells good, tastes good. Just all around perfect. And it just goes on so easily. I love it so much. And that is going to be it for today's makeup look. It was very simple, very easy. I'm so obsessed. I've literally just been in my soft glam glowy makeup era and I'm actually obsessed with it. I feel like this makeup vibe just fits me so much more better than heavy makeup, and I'm so happy I finally found something that looks good on me because it took a while for me to find what works for me, what looks good on me, and I'm almost there. I really feel like I'm almost there. But that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like this video, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down any video requests you guys want me to film for you guys. I will film it ASAP and get it posted. I'm trying my best to post 3 times a week on my channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. Hit the notification bell, you will get a notification to your phone no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing. You'll get a notification that I posted on my channel and you could be one of the first ones to watch. I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys so much. Bye.